Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to the video. In this one, I'm going to be talking about the DJI Osmo Action 3, and you might have noticed in the background there, the Mini 3 Pro. They're two new gadgets I picked up recently. I'm going to do a video separately on that one, on my first impressions, but for today, we're just going to be talking about the Action 3. I basically wanted to get it because my GoPro has been letting me down a few times now. When I first got the GoPro, it wiped all of my footage because the SD card I bought, which is like the same SD card I've used for like everything else, for some reason just didn't work well with that GoPro, so wiped all my footage from a really nice day out, which was quite frustrating. And then I noticed as well with the GoPro, say if I'm sort of going from left to right, the GoPro kind of lags, so it would either go really slowly or it would kind of go too quick and catch up, and apparently it's to do with stabilization. So I've experimented with that to turn off stabilization, but it still seems to be the same problem. The Action 3, so far at least, doesn't seem to do that, which is a big plus. I got the Adventure combo, so you get this little battery pack, which is, I think it charges it quite fast as well, faster than the GoPro batteries it seems like, as well as I think it's 1.5 meter selfie stick, and just like a few little like gadgets to go with it really. But yeah, it's mainly going to be talking about the footage itself. If you want to go into like the specs and stuff, there's loads of better channels that explain it better than I can. But yeah, for now we're going to be talking about the Action 3, and enjoy. So for this clip, we're going to be listening and watching. Audio-wise, it wasn't too windy, but there is a bit of wind noise here. But you can clearly hear the dogs barking at me towards the end of the clip. Movement-wise for the camera, it's buttery smooth. I was quite shocked and impressed how sort of clean looking it was when I was moving the camera around. I was using Rocksteady Plus on this one. The horizon was a little bit wonky. I think that was like my fault because I'm not using horizon level. But the footage itself to me does look quite grainy. Say this was in 4K 60. But because everything's in automatic setting, I think the camera struggled a little bit because it was cloudy out. Every now and again the sun would make an appearance, but I think I need to get into the habit of using the manual settings to really get that cinematic feel. Otherwise, I think with most action cameras you will struggle with that kind of grainy look unless you're happy to adjust on the fly, which I need to start doing. But overall, so far so good. wanted to test the zoom for the camera as well. It goes to 3 times altogether, but it's not really for me. I think if you're buying an action camera for the zoom function, you're probably buying it for the wrong reasons. So for me, it's unusable. You guys might think different, but I'd say that's one downside, but one I definitely expected anyway, so no bother about that. For the next 2 clips, the first one is going to be me moving the camera quite quickly just to try and recreate what the GoPro does where it lags, and thankfully it hasn't done that. And then the second one is a slow-mo shot, so it's only 1080p, but it's slowed down 8 times than the original speed. I should have really got closer to the movement of the sea so you can really see it in full effect, but I'll have to do that next time. But yeah, I'll let you guys be the judge for this one. And finally, I probably should have mentioned this at the start of the video, but I haven't color corrected any of the clips you've seen so far. I'll put the prompts on the screen for this particular clip when I've actually done it, but I'm going to go through like the minimal color correction to the extreme that you'd probably never use, just to see how much color I can get to come out of the like 10-bit color mode that was added recently. Fingers crossed it's going to look really, really good, because that was a big selling point, was like just filming decent and then you can get all the colors back afterwards. But yeah, the camera itself, really, really impressed with it. I know I keep saying so far so good, but I'm a bit anxious that something will go wrong, or this graininess I won't be able to get rid of. But throughout the next couple of days and weeks, I'm just going to practice and experiment, and yeah, I'll upload the footage of what I got, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it, and yeah, look nice and cinematic and crisp like you always see on the YouTube videos when they're promoting the video, or promoting the camera, I should say. So yeah, if you made it this far in the video, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it's yeah, let you know a bit more about the camera. At least you can sort of see for yourself the kind of raw footage. I will be uploading the video soon of probably about 10 or 15 minute session where I literally just hit record and off I went from one beach to another, pretty much like unedited, just so you can really get a feel for the like raw footage style other than like color corrected. So yeah, again, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one.